In this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly generate educational content and professional scripts for your explainer videos. I'll start by clicking on the search bar to enter a detailed prompt asking for an explanation of plate tectonics tailored for middle school students, while also requesting 3 primary sources for research. To ensure I get the most accurate and in-depth results possible, I am selecting the deep research model before I hit search. As the AI gathers information, it builds a comprehensive guide that explains how the Earth's plates move and shape our world through geological shifts. The result simplifies complex concepts like convergent and divergent boundaries and provides direct links to foundational scientific papers that are essential for any academic project. Now let's move on to creating a video script. I am typing a follow-up request for a 60-second explainer video script about how solar panels work, and I am making sure to ask for specific animation and diagram ideas to help illustrate the process during the narration. The AI generates a complete, timed script that explains the conversion of sunlight into electricity in a clear, conversational tone that is perfect for students. It also provides creative suggestions for visual elements such as flow diagrams and cell animations, which helps bridge the gap between technical information and engaging educational media. Using these tools allows me to move from a basic concept to a fully realized educational video plan in just a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.